out there?
Heck.
Is that hail?
Oh! Yeah. It's gonna cross right in front of us. I'm getting us up right up there.
I hope you are well and safe, despite the natural disasters. March 3, 2023. A lot of tornadoes strikes Texas and Louisiana as storms rage in the south. A broad spectrum of extreme weather patterns is sweeping across the United States as storms threaten heavy snow in the southwest, and a severe weather system brings a triple threat of tornadoes, damaging winds and rain to the south. About 35 million people in parts of the southern and southern plains are at risk from severe storms Thursday, the worst of which could lead to multiple rounds of high winds, large hail, and tornadoes. The Storm Prediction Center said, Thursday's tornadoes and high winds caused extensive damage and widespread power outages in Texas and Louisiana, including Dallas-Fort Worth and Shreveport. The severe weather threat continued into the night, with the greatest threat coming from northeast Texas towards parts of Louisiana and Arkansas. Finally, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, don't forget to put a like and subscribe for new videos. Thank you.
Bye.